free to humans, it says.
Do you want to wait at the exit? It's an impossible stain to get out.
Oh. Appreciate it.
Call the Exterminatorz today and make your human problem go away. Humans are a pest.
Whoa, dude! That almost hit me! Every time they reached out! Damn!
Yeah, that comes with
Is there another one? Yeah, there is. Whoa! Holy crap! Woo! Okay. Dude, all those toys are like an inch from my face. They're right there. Yeah. Oh, cool. We're going straight into a new area too. Colony. Aren't those all? Or are those ants?
I think it's
Humans and there.
Don't get
Keep going, guys. Oh no, you guys are with us. You guys are with us. Keep going, guys. Keep going. Keep going this way. Keep going this way. Alright, guys. Oh god, did we lose Anna Christina? Oh no! She's important. R.I.P. 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 Alright. You guys, what happened to Anna Christina? I have to come back with her. I don't need any of you. I just need her. My God. She got scourged. I knew it. That girl is never taking care of her surroundings. Alright, well, we're gonna forget about her. She's dead to us.
Dude, the axe almost touched my glasses. It was like right there. I was like, dude, it's too close. My personal bubble.
I know. I like the one with the eyeballs.
Oh, yeah, it was very cool. Hey, there's Jupiter's Claim. Oh, hell yeah, Jordan Peele. Fudge, yeah, we're going to see Jupiter's Claim from Nope, Jordan Peele's third movie.
Have you seen Get Out?
Yeah, I saw. Yeah, that's the first one. Of course, that's what made me obsessed with Jordan Peele's horror movies. I was watching Get Out, and I love Nope. Look at that! Oh my gosh, we're going to Jupiter's Claim. We actually get to be on the set. Look, there's the horse, the plastic horse from the movie. Wow, this is awesome. Going to Jupiter's Claim.
I wish I liked this movie because the set's so cool.
I like this movie. Did you watch it?
Huh?
Did you watch this movie?
I watched like a bit. I know I did.
Dude, you should have finished it. That's not a movie that you can. Whoa, look at that.
I don't hate it. It's just like I don't really.
No, if you didn't finish the movie, you won't fully appreciate it, I don't think. Man, that's so cool. He's got to be proud of himself. Look at all this.
Oh, he looks like a baby.
Man, Jordan Peele's got to be awesome.
Some cologne.
There's a lot of creepy peoples.
It's like a.
Man, Jordan Peele's got to be like so like psyched to see his creations come to life like this too, you know? He's got to be awesome. Whoa. Damn. There's the horseshoe. Whoa. Shit. That one was. Whoa. Sheesh. Oh my god, he's angry. He's an angry boy. Are you okay? So I don't know what our next stop is because we already saw Jordan Peele. I don't know what could be next. And then, oh my god, look at that.
Abracadabra.
Dude, you know what that is? That's a black phone.
What the black phone?
That's the child molester movie.
That's the movie I didn't like.
Are we gonna meet the molester?
Yeah.
Ew. Ew, look at he's all wavy and he's all happy.
I'm the nice kids. I mean, my bad.
Yay!
What? She got this from Andrew. He loves the black phone.
He likes them. I think he's called the grabber actually in the movie.
The grabber because he be grabbing.
He be grabbing them kids. That's interesting. Yep. I guess he's just gonna stand there while we all gather.
Would you like to see a magic trick?
Yeah.
Sure.
HHN. Come a little closer.
No.
Come on.
Lean to the back.
Ah, damn it.
Hurry up. Or snap your neck. Hey, I was just kidding about snapping your neck, so I got to take that. I'm a part-time magician. Can't do that. I see a lot of uneasy faces here still. I want you to know I'm not going to hurt you, okay? Nothing bad is going to happen to you here. And you don't have to be afraid. On that, I give you my word, Johnny. You want to come up here and help? You don't have to.
I don't want to.
Anyone else?
You're making me uneasy.
Come on up. Or give them a round of applause. All right, very simple. When I count to 3, you're going to say the magic word. Okay? Yes, you're going to do it while looking at this balloon. And don't be afraid to add a little razzle dazzle, okay? If you ever feel so inclined. Ready? 1. Look at me. 2, 3. It didn't work. Why didn't it even work? What's the matter? You don't like magic?
Oh my god, it's this.
Hey, that's okay. I got another trick. We don't need the balloon anymore.
God.
You want to see it?